2026 आने वाला है, 2025 ये साल बहुत ही जल्दी भागा है, ऐसा लगा है हमें, लाइक 2025 is really quick for me. But if you are to give a message to the people who are watching us, ki, what can they expect? What are the upcoming projects of yours, and what would be your New Year message? हम आपको और क्या करते हुए देख सकते हैं? What all experiments will be taking place in 2026?
I think work wise, so I'm just hoping to be able to keep collaborating with such amazing directors, such amazing co-actors. I am just like I'm in for the ride, and I hope that people are there to witness this journey. And I hope that I can inspire them with my work. You know, I I hope that something that I do makes people happy. Something
Yeah,
that they can see on screen. So I don't want to speak about what I want to do. I hope that my work will make them feel
yeah.
something. So I just hope that I get to do
And what?
that. I I think that I think I every time I watch films, I feel a bit less lonely in life. I feel that okay, someone else is going through this. So
Yeah,
crazy family, crazy relationship, whatever, or like love, or just like a lot of like guts to just change things up. So I think my message is something that I'm telling myself that I'm going to be less mean to myself, more kind to myself. And I hope that people can do that for themselves also. I think we all have a little bit of a mean voice that tells us
yeah.
how can you think that you can do this? So
And you
I
shouldn't be
think
that harsh on yourself. I mean, live life, live every moment of it.
yeah, I mean, yeah, like just tell that mean voice to rest for some
Just
time. You've protected me a lot, but now why don't you go on a vacation? And I've got me, so I think this is what I want to tell, like all the people who think that this is something that could help them.
Also, one last thing, if you're talking about vacation only, which is your go-to place? I mean, like
Uh,
you just it's an escape route for you. Pahad, beach. Where do you go?
uh, I think I've always lived away from home because I studied in a boarding school, went to like I was in Delhi for college. So going home for me is a vacation. I'm from
Oh
Assam,
yes,
and
yes,
it's one of the most beautiful places on earth, I think. And
yeah.
so uh, I think I feel a lot of healing in nature. So I think going home is a holiday for me.